And of course, the big story remains, as we've been pointing out over the last couple of years, private credit, private equity. It was reported today that Bain are saying that the current downturn in private credit over the last few years is worse than what it was during the great financial crisis. So it's private markets are very much in a malaise. Private equity can't sell their holdings, they can't distribute, they can't raise money, and private credit is, well, just extremely opaque. Nobody really knows what's in the underlying investments here. This shows, the top panel shows the Virtus Private Credit Strategy ETF, and the lower panel shows that ETF, its relative strength versus the junk bond ETF, which is HYG. And so the main point here is that, well, certainly since 2022, private credit has been underperforming junk bonds, but it's really accelerated over the last year and a half. And this is why these private credit stories, these worries, are emerging just now. But what we like to look at to get an advanced warning of these stories appearing is relative strength, and this certainly shows that it gave us a good heads up before that, and specifically with things like Blue Owl, which has just come into the news recently at the end of last year. The top panel here shows the Blue Owl Capital Inc., which is a private credit fund or fund manager, and the lower panel shows Blue Owl's share price relative to the financial sector, so relative to XLF, which is the financial sector ETF. And yeah, you can see here since the start of last year, Blue Owl was underperforming the financial sector. And then in November last year, we had the first stories coming out about investors in one of the private credit strategies funds that Blue Owl has. They were running for the exit. They were wanting to get their money out, and there was Blue Owl decided to close the gates on them and not allow people to withdraw their money. And this is a story as old as the hills. It always happens, whether it's property funds, anything illiquid, which it just doesn't do to have daily liquidity in a fund for it. So, investors start to get worried. They start to move their money. And of course, the underlying investments can't be sold. And that worry feeds in itself, because then people are thinking, well, what actually are the underlying investments? Because it's all very opaque. But just last week, we had news that now Blue Owl has permanently closed the gates to this particular fund that they're talking about. But this story was preempted very much by months and months of underperformance in private credit, as you can see. Thanks for watching this clip from my 2026 Global Rates and Money Flows quarterly webinar. If you want to learn more and get in-depth coverage of global markets, go to elliottwave.com or click the links below this video.